in yet another blow to the people of South Goa. And it shows that BJP's revenge politics to the people of South Goa after the people of South Goa gave them a befitting reply to the parliamentary election. It is shocking to see yet another international airline shifting its base from Dabolim to Mopa. Aeroflot has announced of shifting its base from Dabolim to Mopa. I had at the start said that the feasibility of two airports within close proximity was not possible. International Civil Aviation Organization also had raised several queries with regards to feasibility of both the airports. We had demanded from the Chief Minister that a delegation with the MLAs, the stakeholders, Member of Parliament, all to be taken to the Prime Minister. And we were assured in the House, but it is shocking to see that the way this government is functioning, that the way Goa has been taken for granted, or rather I'd say the people of South Goa, this is not acceptable. There seems to be a lobby, another mafia political nexus between land sharks operating in Mopa, who are directly connected from Delhi, and this is a clear-cut indication with the way international airlines are shifting, with the way domestic airlines are shifting. It is a very clear-cut reality that Dabolim Airport will soon turn out to be a ghost airport. We immediately demand that the Chief Minister take a delegation and tell the people of Goa that what are the steps taken to make sure that there is, and Dabolim Airport will not turn out to be a ghost airport.